Welcome to the Livingood's kitchen. We're going to break down and make my favorite candy as a kid. Peanut butter cups, not the Reese's version. How do you eat the Reese's? How do you eat a healthy peanut butter cup is what we're about to find out. We're going to show you how to make those and a little bonus dessert that I love, chia seed pudding. Say what? Chia seed pudding is, sounds kind of weird, but loaded with omegas, fibers, a lot of nutrients in chia seed pudding. Super simple and very reasonable, like cheap to make, and it's something you can store in your fridge and pick off of all week long. So if you've got a little bit of sweet tooth, it's a really easy thing to go to have a couple bites or have a little side dish for dessert, and it's completely healthy the way we're going to make it for you. So we're going to break this down. Welcome to the Livingood's kitchen. Let's do some real simple, healthy cooking. We like to make food simple around here, so much so that we wrote a book on it. Called Make Food Simple, Amazon bestseller. This is where a lot of these recipes come from. They're all in there, and we wanted to start cooking them for you to show you and help you. And if you got questions as we go, fire away. Comment in the section below. And if you're liking this series and being in the kitchen with us, do me a favor, hit that like button and hit the thumbs up button, depending on what you're watching on. And let's do this. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. What are we starting with? Chia seed or almond butter cups. All right. I'm going to talk through why I love all this stuff. You do the cooking. That's typically how it goes. I do the talking, she does the cooking. I do the eating and the cleaning.
You do the what?
Eating and the cleaning.
He does. He cleans for me.
So, we can't see you all over there, just keep in mind. But are you just busting some stuff up? Is that what you're doing?
I'm just breaking the chocolate.
Alright, so what we need out of the gates is baker's chocolate, meaning the bitterest of bitter chocolate, 100% cacao. Cacao. 100%.
Really?
Sounds like cow. I don't know.
Wait, I got that.
Yeah, all right. I'm glad you got it. You got it. I hope you're laughing too. So, cacao beans. That's it. Grab this from the store. Unsweetened chocolate, non-GMO, so that those beans, when they were growing in a good method. So, if we did that, that's the kind that we have. I'm not endorsing any. That's just one that we picked up. So that little bar, though, might cost you like $4 or $5 to grab, right? So you're going to be like, oh, what? But we're going to turn it into about 1.5 dozen peanut butter cups. See what I mean? So it goes a long ways in cooking. And we didn't even use it all. We only used half of it, didn't we?
I only used 2 out of 3.
Yeah, 2 out of 3. So there's still one in there. So unsweetened, healthy fats, healthy antioxidants, non-GMO. So that's what we're going to throw in there. Okay, you need a recipe check. So we're going to put those in, and we're just going to heat that up. And did you put a little butter in with it?
I did some butter, and I did some coconut oil.
All right, so coconut oil, butter, and the chocolate overheat on the stove. Not too hot, just a low to medium heat. We're going to start melting that down, okay? So as we melt it down, it will start to liquefy. That's what we're after. Now, to start adding in a little bit of flavoring, we then add in a little bit of vanilla. You were completely off camera the entire time.
Do you want me on camera?
Yes.
Where do you want me to stand?
They want to see you. How much vanilla? Yeah, okay, so we got a 1/4 cup of butter, 4 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
I don't know if I did any of that.
2 bars of, this is how she measures it around here, 2 bars of unsweetened chocolate. Unsweetened chocolate, that's the good stuff. Another version that we have is, yeah.
Another hack that you can do if you're kind of transitioning into going from a Reese's peanut butter cup to a healthy almond butter cup, you can do what the recipe calls for and then add some Lily's baking chips. These are going to just be a little bit naturally sweeter with stevia. Or you can add a little bit of something like Swerve or stevia.
Well, we haven't even put in the sweetener yet, right?
No.
Okay.
Does it say to?
Well, yeah, we're going to add in stevia, and that's what's going to sweeten the chocolate.
I don't do stevia anymore, but.
But you're not doing, well, you can. We started with stevia.
Meaning I don't have
You're going to put in a natural sweetener is what she's meaning. And so, not an artificial sweetener, not whatever comes with chocolate like you normally buy. We're going to control the sweetening ourselves. So we use stevia or use Swerve. Swerve is a erythritol-based product, which is good for baking. So you try either of those. Otherwise, you can do Lily's. Lily's is what she's pouring in right now. And Lily's is a really good brand of chocolate chips. We usually have some up here. So this is like a coconut dark chocolate. If you're a chocolate lover, you're going to spend a little bit in order to get this. But if you're only eating little bits at a time, this is erythritol and stevia sweetened, already kind of made. So they just take the dark chocolate and sort of do this for you. What we're doing is making our own because it's way cheaper that way. You get a lot more out of it. You can control all the ingredients. So adding in, Lily's makes a version of chocolate chips, and those are already sweetened with the stevia. So there's no sugars added. That's the whole point. So then you're not spiking your insulin levels, and you're not causing inflammation. So we heat that up, and then you have a couple options from there. Obviously, we're going to be making peanut butter cups today. You could also just pour this into a pan over parchment paper and just turn it into chocolate bark. And add in nuts and throw in any kind of like cinnamon or anything you want to put on the chocolate, and you just have chocolate bars, and you just throw it in the freezer and you're done. It's the easiest thing ever.
Peppermint oil.
Just, peppermint oil, essential oils type things. You can, whatever flavoring you want to add to it. But we're going to make peanut butter cups today. So, next step, what you got?
I'm ready to pour.
Pour it. Let's do it.
Do you want to taste it or do you not care?
What? No, I trust you. I like it as dark as can be, so she's the one that likes it sweeter. So if it's good for her taste buds, then it's good. So you just gotta kind of get the finger and try it while you're making it to make sure that it's all working properly.
Do you want minis or do you want big ones?
Minis.
You do?
Yeah. Is that good or no?
I don't care.
Oh.
Well, how about...
You want me to scoop? I'll scoop. You go ahead. I'm gonna get peanut butter.
Oh.
Well, we're gonna do that in a little bit, don't we?
Yep. So that one is, I don't have our almond butter we normally have, but I have a cashew butter.
So she's taking out the chocolate and putting it in just a muffin tin, big one, small one.
And I'm just getting a thin layer on the bottom of it, just enough to cover the bottom.
And then we're gonna throw it in the fridge, or freezer, and then it'll solidify, and then that's when we're putting the butter on top. Now, a lot of you guys with butters, nut butters, the thing you want to look out for is no oils. Hydrogenated oils are crushing your system. They're inflaming the snot out of you, they're congesting you. They're in everything, breads, grains, crackers, peanut butters. So this one is just dry roasted organic peanuts. So we do have a version of peanut butter in the house.
I only got that because my grandpa was busy and he likes a little peanut butter sandwich for lunch.
We normally stay away from peanut butter. We'll eat it sometimes, but peanuts are tended to be higher in mold content, so we try to go with almond or cashew.
Or I'll do Valencia peanut butter.
Valencia peanuts do not have the affinity for the mold. And then cashew butter, another great option. We do a lot of almond, we do cashew. No sunflower oil, vegetable oils, those type of things. That's what we're looking for when you're looking for the nut butters. Okay?
So I threw those in I just did a thin layer, enough to cover the bottom of the pan, threw them in the freezer so they can solidify so that we can add the almond butter. In the meantime, so that we don't all have to watch chocolate
We don't
harden,
starve.
so we all don't have to watch the paint dry, we can do this. You answer any questions?
Yeah.
Oh, answer away.
No, I'm just looking. You keep going.
Okay. You want me to just keep making it?
Can you put the chocolate over organic marshmallows? I don't know if those organic marshmallows would be made out of, Faith. That would be a little dicey, but...
You can make your own.
All right, cheese seed pudding. Super, super simple. If you blink, you'll miss it. So, can of coconut milk, good healthy fats. Does not raise cholesterol levels. Dr. Livingood. No. Bad rancid food. Rancid oils and lots of sugar raises your cholesterol levels. It inflames you. So your body has to create more cholesterol. The healthy fats are not what's doing it. Now, should you just pound down a bunch of saturated fat? I'm not saying that either, but there are communities of people that live around the world that eat a ton of saturated fat. Like think of people that live like in a cold Arctic Alaskan area.
They need so much fat.
Yes, I'm not saying like the rural or the urban areas that are like we have a grocery store too, Dr.
Crazy.
But if you lived in the wild, then all you could get was like fish and like an animal. That's it. You know, like there's no vegetation, and they live off that. It's pure saturated fat diet. So someone that would I think 1,000 years ago, like Eskimo living in you get the analogy. Like all they had was like a whale or a seal or well, I don't know if they ate whale necessarily, but they would have some sort of a fish, and then that would be it. It's like the fat of it, the blubber of it, the meat of it, and they survive just fine, not high higher incidences of cardiovascular disease. So yes, you don't have to be scared of that. We got the coconut
I'd
milk
be more
in.
scared of 1 cup of bad processed dairy.
You should be deathly scared of soybean oil, not
Oh my
real.
gosh.
I crack the nut and out falls the milk. God did it. Cool. I can't pick the bean and like squeeze out the oil. It doesn't work. It's processed to get to the. And you know how much soybean oil you eat? Oh my gosh, that is destroying your hormone system, because it's all genetically modified and it's putting fake estrogen inside of you. Ooh, don't get me started on this stuff. We got coconut oil.
So
milk.
I have a can of coconut milk here. Usually you're supposed to do 1 cup, according to the recipe.
You doubled it. 2
Ish.
cups.
I normally would use a hand blender to blend this up, but didn't use a spoon. And then you would do 1 cup coconut milk and a 1/2 cup of chia seed.
So we doubled it, so you're doing twice as many. You're doing a little more than that. She likes a lot of chia seeds. You want them to be evenly dispersed all the way through the coconut milk. This is cooking with Mrs. Livingood. Is it like this in your household too?
I think y'all are gonna vote against
You think
it.
you watch it on TV and you're like, that looks so easy. Yeah, mine's gonna come out like that. And then, we're like, no, we're not even trying to play that game. We're just going to be us.
Yeah, and what I do is I take
for that?
a recipe and I make it me anyway. So make it you. You do you. This is me. I'm gonna put a scoop of collagen in.
You want me to stir for you?
You know why I do the scoop of collagen? Because it gives such a flavor. Like a lot of chia seed puddings or overnight oat type of recipes that we have, a lot of them will call for syrup or honey, mostly syrup, as the sweetener. And with this collagen, the vanilla collagen, you do not need an ounce of sweetener or any sugar in it. It's so sweet.
Smells like cookies.
It does. It tastes like cake. If you don't like cake, it tastes like cookies.
Yeah, if you don't like cake, you shouldn't have our protein.
But I do that. I love the collagen in there.
Yep.
So 3 ingredients. You don't have to have vanilla. You don't have to add syrup. You don't have to.
I'm getting healthy fat, so this is a fat burning dessert because you're fueling your body with what you want it to burn. You're getting a ton of omegas and a bunch of nutrients with the chia seeds. And then we're putting in collagen protein, so you're getting your collagen, you're getting your protein, and you're getting all the multivitamins that we have in there, B vitamins, biotin, all of that is included. In a dessert, and it tastes amazing. Now we're going to throw that thing in the freezer. We don't have a done version because that would require a mom and a dad with 3 kids to plan that far ahead that we'd have one done, so we can just pull it out and be like, look, how beautiful.
Well,
we don't have that done.
sometimes I have one in there, but right now I didn't. But yes, and then what I love to do is just put it in a little, let's talk about serving sizes and not overdoing any amount or anything. Put them in a little ramekin cup with some berries on it, and the kids go to town. They think it's like ice cream. They think it's a dessert. It is a dessert.
It is.
And then with the fruit on top, they love it.
It's true. Can we do these now?
They just need to be a little solid. Should be good.
Got it.
Switch.
Switch.
Thank you,
In we
sous
go.
chef.
You are welcome.
What'd you do with that? What do you want? Cashew? Peanut? What do you care? Do you care? Do a little bit of each.
Sure. I'll scoop, you scoop. We all scoop.
So then you take however much of your nut butter that you want, and you just drop it in on top of that little layer of chocolate.
You got the creamy one.
It did. You got the hard one. You will, everything tastes better if you lick your fingers along the way. As a little, just more, sweetness.
Pull a little of that sweetness in there. Oh man.
He's so excited to come
Well,
home today.
that's why you fasted yesterday.
To eat almond
Now
butter
I get
cups
to have almond butter, not to eat these.
Like how
these
easy
are
is
approved.
this? We can make this on a show. It takes us what, 15? See, a little bit of finger licking. You're just done scooping.
You're looking good.
I'll get almond butter and finish the rest of them. You can also, instead of doing a nut butter, so say you don't love almond butter cups, you can also throw in some nuts here. Same thing as the bark. Throw in nuts, throw in some peppermint, and just make little bite-sized chocolates if you want. Instead of buying chocolate, throw in some coconut flakes, throw in some, whatever flavor you would want to go buy, throw in some of that. Yeah.
Then we're topping it with chocolate. So we went one layer, solidified it so that it would hold the nut butter, and then now we top it off, so then we got that butter sandwiched in between.
And they pop out easy when they're done. Just put them in a. I store them still in the freezer though.
Yeah, we keep them cold. Or were you the type of person that like kept your Snickers bar or your candy bar in the freezer? If you're that way, then you'll love them. You can have them warm. You just want to make sure you don't get it too warm for the obviously
The chocolate will kind of remelt.
It's so real that,
So you can keep them in the fridge.
it's not like the fake processed candy bar that you buy that's like way more stable under heat.
We lost them.
We lost them.
You go fix them.
We're still good. What's up, YouTube?
Hey, YouTube.
There we go. Almost there.
I'm impressed that you remember how to do these. It's been a while since you've probably made them.
Well, when it's like your favorite food, you just
naturally know how to do it.
yeah.
Okay. In the freezer it goes.
There it is. That's it. Peanut butter cups goes in the freezer. You're gonna enjoy them 30 minutes. That thing solidifies. Maybe give it an hour to really have it solid. That's it. It's in the Make Food Simple cookbook. You can grab this. Really simple, easy recipes. Making desserts simple, which is so huge. With the chia seed pudding and the peanut butter cups. Enjoy those. Straight from the Livingood kitchen. If you got questions on how to make it or ingredients or anything we use, or maybe where Jessica got her shirt today, just go ahead and ask. And if you're just watching our channel, hit the subscribe button. We got these type of videos, we got field trips, we have webinars, all kinds of simple health information to make it easy to experience real health. Glad you were here. You know what?